Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to make mango delight cake. It's very delicious and tasty. Let's start making it. For the sponge, I'll take 3/4 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of corn flour, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Sift the flour and set aside. After sifting the flour, take 3 eggs, half teaspoon of vanilla essence, 3/4 cup of castor sugar. It has to be beaten until creamy and fluffy. It will take 7 to 8 minutes to beat. After it, I will add oil to it. After adding the oil, I will mix it with light hands. Then we add flour gradually into this material. I have taken a square shape mold to bake it. I am applying baking paper under it, but you can apply aluminum under it so that the material does not come out. After set the material, bake it for 25 minutes at 180 in preheated oven. The cake is ready. Now I'll take it out with the help of knife. First I remove the baking paper from the bottom of the cake. Then I'll take it out with the help of knife. Now I will cut it from the middle and let it cool. Soon as it cools down, I'll whip the cream. I'm using 400 ml of cream. Beat the cream until it becomes fluffy. After it, now I'll set the cake by applying aluminium under the same ring. First I'll put a first layer of cake and put the cream in center the cake. After the cream has set, place the mango pieces in the middle of the cake and the top of the cream. Now I'll put the second layer of the cake on the top of the cream. Spread the cream on the top of the cake and it has to be set well. Now place it in the fridge to cool down. I have taken 1 pack of mango jelly. Add 1 cup of hot water and mix it well. Now gently pour the jelly on the top of the cake. Keep it in the fridge to cool down so that the jelly set well. Our cake has cooled down and the jelly has also set. Now I will cut it. First remove the aluminium from the bottom of the cake. Now take out the ring and slice it. And enjoy this cake. It's very delicious. Must try this recipe in this summer season and the season of mango. Thanks watching for my video. See you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.